Hello and good afternoon. I thought I'd do two songs in one day for a change, just because the weather's been crappy and it gives me something to do, and I'm trying to get all these things down to tell all the people that I've written them about that I love them via song. And I don't get to do it in person all the time, especially with this pandemic stuff. Anyway, the song is called The Sound of Her Name, and it's about my nephew and his lovely wife, Anna. They have a beautiful daughter. When she was born, I was so enamored with the sound of her name that I wanted to write a song about it. And she's turned into be a kind of a prototype of all the best qualities of her parents. And the song is how I envisioned her later in life meeting somebody special of her own. So the song is called The Sound of Her Name, and it was written in 2015. When I picture your mama, I see her dancing around flames 'neath an African moon, or strumming her guitar, singing an old song in a voice that is husky and sweet. Now I look in your blue eyes, thinking about our life and how much you mean to me. So sit with me, Cedar, let me hold your warm hand on this soft summer night, and I'll tell you I love you, and we can dance like your mother. Cedar, I'll always be true. Let me tell you I love you, for me there's no other. Cedar, I'll always be true. Your father's a strong man with kind, gentle hands. He can shape things that are made out of clay. I can still hear him playing blues by a campfire. You remind me of him too in some ways. You're the best of them both, but what I love the most is the sound of your beautiful name. So sit with me, Cedar, my arm around your shoulders, and we'll lie back and look at the stars. And I'll love you forever like your father does your mother. Cedar, I'll always be true. Oh, I'll love you forever, for me there's no other. Cedar, I'll always be true. Love all three of you, to the moon and back, Anton and I both. We hope Cedar's still using her prototype roller skates. I'm looking forward to playing tag with you next time we see you, Cedar. Love you all.